Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to find rhyme scheme in English poems. These are important for class 10th and class 9th or class 8th standard 2, and some practice questions are also we are going to see in this section. So see, rhyme scheme is a poet's deliberate pattern of line that rhyme with other line in a poem or a stanza. The rhyme scheme or a pattern can be identified by giving it words, end words that rhyme with each other, the same letter. For instance, see, take the poem that is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, written by Jane Taylor in 1806. Let's see how to find the rhyme scheme in this poem. See, firstly you should follow the poem, then we will find out the rhyme scheme of this poem. In this, see, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. When we got any pattern, we have to find out any scheme pattern. We just put starting letter A, that is A in capital or in small, whichever is provided you in your options, you can choose it later as regarding it. For first understanding, I am putting just A in the line. Okay, now next line is how I wonder what you are. In this, star and the another line is R. The both line are having a rhyming pattern. That is because we write A for this, because star and R is like that. Now next line is up above the world so high. See here, high word is not rhyme for star R, so it is a different. That's why we are writing B in front of it. Next one is like a diamond in the sky. Like a diamond in the sky. When we see high word and sky word are rhyming with each other, that's why we write B for the rhyme scheme pattern. Now next one is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. In this you also find the star word, then is how I wonder what you are. The same pattern, that is A star R, is here. So you can find the rhyme scheme of this poem can be determined by looking at the end of word in each line. The first line ends in the word that is star and the second line ends in the word that is R. Because the two words rhyme, they both are given the letter A. A signifies that we found the first rhyme in the poem. I had previously said you about A writing, so we will follow the next slide. The third line ends with high and the fourth line ends with sky. The two words don't rhyme with the first two words, but star and R, so they get B, as I also write there B. So the rhyme scheme is AABB. Rhyme scheme is AABB. Okay, I also do like that. AABB is the pattern. Then next line will be also AABB pattern. Okay, see, we are going to give some different type of example regarding that. See here, in the following poem, identify the rhyme scheme. That is, first is nature's first green is gold. See, second line is her hardest hue to hold. Third line is her early leaves flower. Fourth line is but only so an hour. In this, we have to find the rhyme scheme. Because of it, we find gold and hold letter is in rhyming session, so we write A in front of that. Okay, because they are in rhyming scheme, and we put A letter in front of it. Then next line is her early leaves flower. In this, flower is word given, and third line and fourth line is hour. That is also a rhyming scheme or a rhyming words. That's why we also write BB in that. And the poet's name is Robert Frost. So we find the rhyme scheme of this poem is AABB pattern. Okay. So in this way you can identify any poem's rhyme scheme. It is very simple, and in examination you got 2 marks question regarding it. So it is so important for you to prepare and see the whole video with the concentration, so that you can find it any poem's rhyme scheme. See, Helen Thy beauty is to me like those nicken barks of yore, that gently o'er a perfumed sea the weary wave worn wonder bore. This poem is of Edgar Allan Poe. This is the poetry of Edgar Allan Poe. Now we have to find out the rhyme scheme of this poem also. See, Helen Thy beauty is to me. For this we can write like A, because me and your are not in rhyming pair. So your is the another word, that's why I am writing B here. Your and another is C, bore. C, bore. So see, me and C are like a rhyming pattern. Somewhere it is like a rhyming pattern. Okay, you can see. Okay, one thing is very common, that is your and bore word are in rhyming pair. So A, B, B is required. But for C and me, you can find it like is it in the options like A, B, B pattern, you can see. Okay, for the third one A, B, okay, in this it can be, or okay, so this can be. So we have to identify me and C, the words are rhyming in this, so we have to write it like A. So we got the pattern AB AB in this poem. So the answer is option B. Now we will find third poem, third line rhyming scheme. See, Alexis seems quite shy and somewhat frail, leaning like a tree averse to light, avowedly away from her delight. X-rays through reveal a slime sprite. Okay, the word is frail and light are not rhyming pairs. That's why we write A, then we will write B, delight and sprite. You can see delight and sprite, light, delight and sprite are in rhyming scheme. So we write BBB in front of them. That's why we get the pattern A, B, B pattern. So the question's answer is option D. In this way we find that answer 2. Now see the next question, that is turn back the hurt you have turned away. For here we write A, then give back from kissing breath, give back from kissing breath, leave not my love as you have left, leave not my love as you have left. See, breathe and left, and then the broken hearts of yesterday, away and yesterday, the words are in rhyming. So we can write A, that is A, B, and last one will be A. Find it the words like that. Okay, breath and left are in common, that's why the rhyming scheme for this poem is A, B, B, A. Okay, so C option is correct for this poem. In this way we have learned to find rhyming scheme from the poem. Please comment in the comment box, do you like this video and do you understand how to find rhyme scheme, and you also have to practice these questions a lot of time, so that you can also find out the rhyming scheme of any poem whichever provided you in the examination, and that will give you a 2 marks benefit. Okay, we will meet in the another video. Bye.